Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord account and how to register on the MegaGaming website. Okay, your first step is you're going to go to the MegaGaming website. After that, you're going to go to the login register button. When you are here, all you need to do is you click on the login register button and it's going to bring you up with a new screen. Then when you want to create your own Discord account, you click on Verify Discord Account. After you click on the Verify Discord account, it's going to bring you to this Discord page where you can create your account or log into your own account if you've already got one. If you've already got a Discord account, all you need to do is put your email in here and your password and say login. If you do not have a Discord account, all you need to do is go a bit more down and click on register. As soon as you click on the register button, it's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to put your own email address, you're going to create a username, and you're going to create a password with at least 6 digits. And obviously don't forget your date of birth. After that, you click continue. After clicking continue, all you need to do is, when this screen pops up, is click authorize, and that authorizes your Discord to link with the website. After you clicked authorize, it's gonna pop up with this new screen back in MegaGaming's website. Here you're gonna put your own name, your surname, your email address, and then obviously your own contact number. As soon as you've done that, all you need to do is click on confirm you are from South Africa. As soon as you clicked on you are from South Africa, it's going to change to this screen. It's going to tell you, awesome, we see that you are from South Africa. This is just to prevent overseas people playing in our tournaments. All you need to do is make sure everything is ticked and then you accept the terms and conditions below. If you do not know what the terms and conditions are, please click here to read it. After you read it, all you do is you accept the terms and conditions and click continue. After clicking continue, this screen pops up and then you need to choose what game you are interested in playing. If you want both, you can choose both, Fortnite and Call of Duty. If you only like Fortnite, you only click Fortnite. Next, it's gonna ask you what platform you are playing on. I'm obviously PC, so I'm choosing PC. Then it's gonna ask you, what do you play on PC? Do you play on controller or you play on keyboard? And I'm on keyboard, so I'm choosing keyboard. After you chose that, this is the next screen you're gonna see. It's gonna say you're on PC and you're playing via keyboard. Now your socials. This is where you're gonna link your socials to the website on your profile. All you do is you click here to load your links. If you are a streamer, then you click you are a streamer also, and then it's gonna ask you for your live link. When that is done, all you do is you say finish.